careful where I walk here, because I don't want to be under one of these when they come down. This isn't really going to help much with those guys. It's about 34 degrees right now and things are melting. I don't know if in a good way, but that's way up there. This is the beast that came down last night. And definitely separated the gutter. I can't see, I don't want to go in there, but to see what kind of damage. Can't really see a lot of damage. I think it's mostly right there in that corner, and it definitely destroyed this trellis, but I hadn't been using it anyway because I had a grapevine and it died in there. So I sleep right here, so I heard this last night. I don't know what else I'm going to get done out here. I don't want to work over there because I'm underneath the trees.